Hey guys, it's Mike with Riding in the Ozarks. And last weekend, I took a weekend off to spend time with the family, and we took the kids to Branson, Missouri. The weekend before that, we worked all weekend putting on an old school motorcycle rally. This is what happens when you take a couple weekends off. The mail piles up. So we got some product reviews to get done here in the next couple weeks. But first and foremost, this is next on the list. I got this from KemiMoto. I recently did a saddlebag cooler review for them. And this is a saddlebag organizer for street glides, road kings, electric glides. I'll put a image up at the end of this for compatibility of all the different models it fits in case when you're done watching this video, you decide you really want one. Let's get this out of the bag and take a look at them. Now, these are labeled right and left, so you know which saddlebag they fit in. Another thing to note on the back, they have Velcro already on there. You get these things in position, then you can peel the backing off of this Velcro and press it hard against the bag, and you'll have some Velcro stickies on the inside of your bag to help hold this in place so it doesn't slide around or move when you're reaching in and out of the organizer. All right, let's take a look at these organizers and see what we've got here. This is the left side. So it'll sit in the bike like this. We have a pocket up front. There's a Velcro closure for this pocket in the front. Then we have some small pockets here with Velcro closures. They only run about that height. Then we have a zippered pocket along the bottom here. So we have a hook here that you can hook keys on or other things and have them hanging in there. I can see where this would come in handy for hooking my little mini garage door opener. It's a keychain style one to this, and that way I could have it hanging right there all the time where it's easy to reach in and grab it and press the button. We have a big pocket here in the back. Now, besides this large zippered rear pocket, it is open here so you could slide papers or hide something small back in here between the pocket and the backing of the organizer. Now here's the right side. This will go to the front of the bike. Again, we have a big pocket in here against the backing material with a big zippered pocket. Another big open Velcro pocket with another area behind the pocket that you can slide things into between the backing and the pocket. An important thing to note about these is the pair runs about $46. Harley Davidson makes a set that costs over $105. Guess who bought that $105 set several years ago when I couldn't find any other manufacturers that made any. So we're actually going to take my Harley Davidson ones out, put these in, and we'll also see how these compare. Here's the Harley Davidson brand one I just took out of my 2016 Street Glide. Now, as you can see, it's got one big pocket in the front, one small pocket in the back. It has spacing between the backing and the pockets as well. Feeling the material, feels like they're made of the same thickness, the same heaviness. Now I have a few items in this one right now. In that thin compartment, I usually keep some business cards, so I gotta find a place to put those. In this pocket, I've got some different charging cables. I also have a tire pressure air gauge from Bumpus Harley Davidson in Jackson, Tennessee. I got this when I bought my 1994 Harley Davidson Dyna Lowrider. That is going to look great hooked on this little hook. The air pressure gauge already is hanging from a little chain, so I can just hook it right there and we're good to go. All right. So let's see how some of these cables fit in these little pockets here. Now this is my Harley Davidson rider card that they scanned to let me do demo rides. Of course, my friends at Law Tigers gave me this helmet sticker that I haven't put on yet. It says, in case of accident, do not remove helmet. Hopefully everybody knows that. All right, let's go put this one in and see how it looks. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you an easy way to put these in and make sure your bag stays securely mounted. Put the bag down into the saddlebag. Brace the front with your knee. Unlock it. Note the position when you take it out. Line the hole up. Put it back in. Rotate the clip till it latches securely in the same position it was to begin with. So we've done the front, now we do the back. Same way. Put a knee in there to hold the bag in place, even though it's latched on the front. Make sure you hear that click to know it's in all the way. All right, these are mounted. I found a GoPro battery rolling around the bottom of my saddlebag. That should be in one of these organizer pockets. All right, guys, here's the Harley-Davidson Saddlebag Organizer from the other side of my bike. I'm gonna transfer some of the stuff out of this into the KemiMoto one and install it. We've got some RTV silicone gasket sealer. I think we'll put that up front here. We've got some business cards for Plug Ugly Customs. Those are the guys that paint the front of my bike. Whenever somebody asks me about it, I hand out one of those business cards. So those will be perfect to slide in that between the pouch and the backing. Flashlight. Lighter. More business cards for riding in the Ozarks, otherwise known as spam cards. All right, let's go put this in and put some more stuff in it. All right, guys, I keep a lot more stuff in this saddlebag over here. Gloves, extra glasses, extra set of clears, extra set of sunglasses in case somebody loses a set or don't have a set that's riding with us. Neoprene face mask in case it gets cold for some reason. This time of year, we shouldn't run into much more of that. The install process over here is gonna be basically the same. Brace the bag, pull the plug out, run it through the hole, put it right back in, hear it click in place. All right, they're installed in the bike. Now I'm gonna have to use them for a little while, but I can tell you initially, by comparing them to the Harley-Davidson ones I already have, that they appear to be of a similar build quality. The materials, how they're made and designed, all very similar. The amount of storage and pockets are very similar, different configuration. But KemiMoto gives you the same product for less than half of the price of the Harley-Davidson branded product. The Harley-Davidson branded product is $105 on their website, and the KemiMoto is $46. So, in my book, that's a win. All right, if you like this product and you're interested in it, I'm gonna throw up on the screen a list of the compatible models. This is for specific models and years of Harley-Davidson. KemiMoto also makes some universal products. Make sure you use the link in the description down below to get this exact product if you're interested in it. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, check out the content on my channel. And if you dig it, you can hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to ring that bell to be notified the next time I drop a new video. And as always, thank you for your support. Stay safe and keep on riding.